You searched how to buy shares of ARES Management Corporation, so this clip walks through the practical steps. ARES Management Corporation is an alternative asset manager listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARES, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To trade ARES, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account with a government ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ARES to locate the correct listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for ARES Management Corporation. Open the ARES asset page to review basic company information and the price chart so you recognize the security. Confirm the ticker ARES in exchange to ensure it is the right stock. Click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose Market or Limit Order. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit. And if you lack funds, the platform will request additional deposits before final confirmation. Once executed, your ARES position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference.